Okay, that's so it be. Hmm. Can I? Let me keep watching back anyway. Because, hello, guys. I remain Joe Vicar, and I'm broadcasting from Joe Vicar TV. Oh, what is my TikTok acting up? Okay. Thank you for joining my life. I want to discuss on the faces of those who hate Igbos with passion. The faces of those who hate Igbos with passion. I don't know if here is going to be better. I think, let me put it here. Yeah. The faces of those who hate Igbos with passion. That's what I want to discuss. This attribute has already been used on me, telling me how I don't like the Igbos. And why did they say so? Because of my reaction, outbursts, speaking up, crying out against those who were brutally murdered by insurgencies, by insecurity that is ongoing, still ongoing in Alibo. Now, this picture has circulated where my picture appeared, picture of Ijele, picture of Chief Joe Ibokwe, picture of Asara Dokobo, picture of Senator Kuremadu, picture of His Excellency Wike, picture of Loretta, no, picture of Governor Soludo, picture of Governor Mba, picture of Senator Zakalo, picture of who again Senator Distinguished Senator Hope Uzodinma, picture of Ikenga Uruago. These pictures have been trending on social media, and my picture happened to be the number one. In most of the platforms where I belong, it has been shared. But I want us to discuss in real terms who are the really haters of Igbos. That is what I want to discuss. What do we call hate? Because I'm using some of my devices to stream, I'm live on TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. The other of my phone is not here. I would have been live on Instagram as well. Now, if today of your first time of joining my video, can you just listen to me so they hear me speak to you? If you care to know, if you care to listen. I'm a priest of the Most High God, and I would like to pray before I discuss this topic. Father, in the name of Jesus Christ, I commit this discussion into your able hand, and I ask you help me to speak the truth and nothing but the truth. For in the name of Jesus Christ, we pray. Amen. Ndị Igbo, okay, aga m na-eme isi Igbo na English based on because of some sensitive thing m ga-eme mention here. But unu ga-ekwe ghọta when Simon Ekpa was discussing anything that about this insecurity he was instigating, or that he used Igbo. Yet he was fighting for your Ndi Igbo. The same thing applicable to Nnamdi Kanu. He wasn't using Igbo. But to reply them, I know why we stop using Igbo. But that's okay. So I'll be mixing up. I'm gonna mix here Igbo English. Please, I want to request everybody go to page of Ijele and watch this particular picture. What Ijele wrote when he posted this picture on his page. I mean, this picture where he posted about me, him, Joe Ibokwe. If you read that thing, he said that Ijele excluded me from being saboteur. He said I am not a real saboteur. That's one. There was a post I made about a Northern Army general, according to the say, he's a general, having arms by the side of him, And when his office, his orderly, I mean the person that is guiding him, is not having any arm. When the general is on mufti with a Hausa cloth, having AK, when his security man was saluting him with that AK, I said this can only happen in the north. That was the sin I committed. Ijele wrote a lot against me that I am. He said a lot. So why am I bringing this up? Ijele and I are not in the same class. Rather, Ijele is saying the truth on the truth are also saying, which is that truth that Ndeba Igbo wine. And since Ndekuya, that is where we meet. We only have a meeting point. That is what I'm saying about Ndeba Igbo wine. That is the only thing that brings us together. His connection with the Northerners, I don't know about it. Oh no, when I'm his affiliation with the Northerners, with Ndugu, Ndefulani, I don't have business. But I discovered that each time I make a video, Basran Ndugu, he will always attack me. But him Basran Ndugu always so yes. So if you guys want to tag me with him, it is your business, and you are entitled to your opinion. More than you're entitled to interpret whatever that comes out from you guys in my own way. So, what are we saying today? Can you ori Igbo asi? Now, ori Igbo asi. And when I want story, I'm going to share with you people now. You know, my life is not too long. A young man, Bonyori, anachi babu ya babu. So, he came behind the drum. Ndami na amachi kegbo. Before egbo ya, I said, when he hot choriku, ya si biko kore ya mama ya. Mama ya bata ya say mama come close. Mama biawote werenti ya tije. This boy ataranti ya mama ya tabienti mama ya. Taranti mama ya beating the ears of the mother. Pah, bosaya na ala. People was calling him. Why? Let him reach when ataranti mama ge. Yes na don wa ya na nwuta. No mama ya dinyere ya. As how? Na mgbe e bidoro na nwata na ezori. Mgbe ọ bụla echere izo na papa ya ga-ewere ụtarị ka ọ pịa ihe ya na-efi na papa ya hetiri ya mama ya ga-asa hapụ ya ọ nwatakịrị ka ọ mgbe o megide topụtawa na-emekwe the same thing mama ya continue kwasị well ọ ka na-eto eto hapụ ya ọ ga-akwụsị ya mgbe ọ bịara topụta na-emekwe ya mama ya si ihe agwa the only son na nwekwara na nwe m nwa ọzọ this is my only son biko hapụ na ya mama ya kpọpụta pịa ihe ma ya kpọpụta bịa clean ya tesa ndo nwa m this man were nwayọ mgbe ụfọdụ mama ya na papa ya na-eso okwu ya gwa papa na ọ dị ka ihe etere nwa m a papa ya si nwe nwa m hate asị na o hetere nwa ya. So that boy grew up not liking the father, but that day ka ọ hụrụ na ihe mama ya mere encourage dunye ya kwagide meziri ya ya bụrụ onye na-anwụ ọnwụ ike. That's mama Ogwa when you hate him, not my father. I regret that I didn't listen to my father. This is what exactly that is happening between case of Nnamdi Kanu and some of us who are speaking the truth. Can you hear hatred? Now see, you know, check here when this journey started. Thank you so much. When this agitation started, I was fully involved because I personally don't like Imegide Mado, even to tomorrow. I personally don't want Madi Mebu Madi Bear. I don't like here. I don't know why it's like that. Even when I want to keep quiet, I think I'm not saying wow. Or this matter of Nnamdi Kanu. Many people, with some prominent people, Bogorum, man, government too, man, they love Rumo, man, they sponsor, they have a very big business. How na him ne kuwezuko babiko na mechono. Man, do you know that the more I try to keep quiet, something now emema fed. Something emema fed. I'm trying to add my brother who is trying to join me. I pray network will allow me to bring you in. Yes, it's coming. I'm adding Somebody is sending a request to join me. So the more I try to keep quiet, something is pushing. And what is that is pushing? The blood of innocent people that we cried, please don't buy them. Please don't buy them. The blood of innocent people that we say, please don't hurt them. These are the people that are pushing up me not to keep quiet, that I should continue to say the truth. When Nnamdi Kanu said that, I was fully supporting him with all my heart. Even when he made the broadcast summary, insulted the whole pastors, that the whole pastors will go to hell. People were calling me, say, hey, this is the same person you were supporting. I made a video and defended Nnamdi Kanu. And I said to the people, please, number one, but the thing I couldn't say, no, account. I made that video, I got a viral. That was 5 years ago or 6 years ago. So Masibiko, now I able Nnamdi Kanu that he woke because why that why no I mind the whole people. So because nobody should buy him, nobody should crucify him. That video went viral. The IPOB share in their pages. How do you make it? Because that time I've not monetized my page. Many IPOB made money with it. Now, but the thing continue. Brokers of hatred. Yoruba media, Yoruba media, Katrina Land, British government. In Britain, tomorrow, they have right to say, they can support you. But in a British government, in a Kenya, in a politician. There was one problem with him. I don't have problem. But I onye jota na ga atu okute na ndo. Masi ha adi himma. Some of you who love him, who claim you love him, cannot call him Simba. This thing is wrong. So they call him Oga Kosia. May in the way I get you here. But I want Simba yard. Yeah, we can cause a problem in future. I will keep you away. Then no more one you ma jog one mother only na church only when conscience mother sagi ekulo ko ojo megide one negi enyo no da ka egbuo one negi no onye na support gị n'ihe ọbụla imere. Who is your lover? Chetakwa na akwụkwọ nsọ m na-agosi na onye nna ya hụrụ n'anya ka ọ na-abara mba. I repeat, onye nna ya hụrụ n'anya ka ọ na-abara mba. If you love your children, feel that when I was growing up, I thought my parents hate me. In fact, I will tell you, call me here. See, my father, I need to look for who is my real parents. Now, this man and woman, because my father will not support you, my father, my mother will nobody will save me. That is why today, I came out who I am. But in the case of God, none of you are telling Mazi, this thing is wrong. So, bro, Nankade Panoma. Yane me naga. When we try to call him, simply get him out. More than America here. When he effort to make me, I try they can call her. No way. Okay, I will let you know, bro. After I can call a lawyer, they were denying me access to him. They refused me to talk to him. So I have to speak to somebody on a new lawyer. Okay, no problem. I know you can't be waiting, no problem. I'll bring you in again. Just in the next 10 minutes, let me establish the background. You come in. So, in the next, so immediately that particular thing. Okay, no, but join now. Nah, bata, you can't want to join. Join me, so that he deliver your message. Get poor. You can send the request. Those of you on TikTok, can I bring you now? No, later I'll bring you in, please. Later. So you can send the request, please. So, Man aju onye ahụ na-asị gị my brother don't do this ọ dị mma na onye na-akụrụ gị aka mgbe ị na-eme ihe ọjọọ koro onye lọvụrụ ibe ya. That time I thought my father hated me, but they were helping me today to be what I am today. Because when I followed the tell life and I come here, I would have been messed up. All the can go and pay. Now, uno sum hate ya, nam orayasi. Ane pay, uno sum nane equally so many things that he was promised a lot of things. Go and check it in my page. I made a video. So is it not better? Go receive what that man agreed, sign here, Potagodi, that he who fights and runs away will live to fight again. Onye na gwa mmadụ mee ihe dị otu a, onye họkpọrọ ya asị. I repeat, because he chete, ọ ga-aga prison before the first time. In that prison, how gonna before? He can please send request. I will bring you in. Now that prison, how gonna before? He, when a bail condition, Emily stipulate. That bail condition I had a deputy, he signed. After signing, that no get keep it to the bail. That was why he was released. Now, first one I had the arrest. The question now, did he keep to the rules of that particular bail condition? The answer is no. That was why when he now came out, one of the conditions we don't stay in the midst of more than 10 people. But he violated all the bail conditions. Not only he violated it, he now said that Naga Abuja Gabuti Shibuhari Ndami may invade his house. Now, when we hear that Naga Abuja Buti Shibuhari, I saw the Hemma only kick us trouble as now saboteur. When the army garadia unebewe nanda nigraga baya, but why will it to say Iga Gibuti Shibuhari? Why? The same way Kime Prono Nakara, Nega Gibuti Shiwike, Negi Shiwike, give you 100 million. My make a call, reach out, he quenk a muneako. See, I will kick us, we will keep up and one attack a share people I record or let's say they keep where. I cried and I shouted, this in Adehokwama as now saboteur. As now saboteur. Man, Aju, cannot come and stop that. But he had him join at the home kitchen in a trouble. Only that way, how many here got chicken a trouble? Gumwa wrote a Unyayasi. Oh, no, and the Porayasi. Those of you who is praising him in error, in nonsense, in evil, you are the haters of Nnamdi Kanu. All of you. As the praise here, all the go do now. I have a video do meje. Odumeje said the only man that said the truth. The only man that said that Anna Kwaka Odumojo is a hypocrite. You didn't know why I said so. I'm a video to respond to him. He is a complete hypocrite. Why I just say so? Odumeje, do you know Odumeje video Odumojo watched 5 years ago? Odumeje granted his community. God made free rice. Let us over there. There's over there. Burihega, I was happy man no patrego, we go galletan over there. But do you know for over 3-4 years now, Odumeje cannot go to his community because the whole community actually also can they throw her in the agitation. Only this boy and about education also was the one shouting. See, where is the celebrities of Osu? Osu when so many celebrities, Ma Brenjota, Odumeje, Lazarus Moka, who again? There are a lot of them. Ma Elijah, where's okay? These guys are mighty, powerful men from Osu, but they cannot go to their village. They cannot go to the village because of insecurity. Community abafu, imana to report how many one papa give one nigga or your relative. Oh, when I have aboka shahano ya, give your choki liya, agwage go liga to come and bury your own person. How abukwara? Many people are don't want a mortuary. Many people have hosu. Hey, may I guess roha? Haga de bana for mother value. Atunozunda there. Odumeje could not go home. Now, Nnamdi Kanu has been jailed. Do you know why? to him, but he was happy when they jailed Simon Ekpa. He kept quiet. They not jailed Nnamdi Kanu. He started talking. What does that show you? No Simon with a problem, but Nnamdi Kanu is original. But let us analyze Nnamdi Kanu and Simon Ekpa. If I finish the analysis, you can please send request. Let me bring it in. Sir, please, I don't want you to say anything wrong to you. Please, I want you to change your topic by preaching gospel of our Lord Jesus. That's a very good advice. I'm also preaching Christ while talking about this. I just quoted the Bible. And there are some of my videos there where I preach. I didn't see you watching it to encourage me so that I can continue to preach. I didn't see you some of my videos. I do my prayer like tomorrow. I will be live. I will be live on this page preaching. When I do that, I don't see you watching me. People don't watch it. But this topic and I'm talking, you are here. So, my brother, I understand your advice, but I'm entitled to my opinion. My people, we are behind my relationship where people are crying to me because we have to speak for them. Now, coming back to what I was saying. So, Odumeje, for him now, Simon Ekpa will own your job. Nnamdi Kanu is a good man. Okay. But who introduced Nnamdi Kanu into the system? That's the question. Sorry, who introduced Simon into the system? Simon had an interview with him. And when he was still outside, he asked that, go and listen to Simon. Oh, could that one? Because although that could recommend that, because they know to Simon, they played that video. So now Simon, although that video could hand over to Simon, he only said it in one look and outside that Simon is doing very well, that go and listen to him. I'm aware. But when he was arrested, the lawyer wrote a letter and said that now Ogwara and Simon should continue the broadcast. Please, they are aware that now Simon was asked to take over, to start speaking from his channel, for the Biafrans. Because if you are aware of it, please drop it on the comment section. Drop it on the comment section. Was Simon asked to continue from where he stopped when he was arrested from Kenya? Arrested or kidnapped or whatever you call it. Kidnapped, arrested, extradition, fine. But it was the custody. He wrote a letter through the lawyer asking Simon to come. We heard it. Simon now wanted to come and continue the broadcast. The DOS said no. That he cannot, that he's not an oath-taking member of IPOB. He started dragging with them. That thing dragged for about 3, 4, 5 months. Now, that was when Simon started answering the disciple of Nnamdi. Immediately he got the letter. He started answering the disciple of Nnamdi Kanu. I am Simon Ekpa, the disciple of Nnamdi Kanu. That was when he started answering that disciple. So when he started answering that disciple, the US said that he must come and take oath before he used the platform of Radio Biafra to broadcast. Simon vehemently rejected and said no, he will not take any oath. They continued the battle. They continued. Simon now resorted to using his own platform to do the broadcast. So when he now used the platform, he changed and started answering the Biafra spokesperson. I repeat, he started answering the Biafra spokesperson. That was when he now brought in somebody like Nelly Ofebu and Omahada Highway. All those women, they were all broadcasting. From that broadcast, Simon started insulting the wife of Nnamdi Kanu, Uchechi. From that broadcast, she started talking a lot. Now, the question remains, Simon was not doing according to what somebody who recommended him said. Why didn't Nnamdi Kanu condemn him? Because he was in custody. Though I also heard he wrote him back. I asked him, give him direction. Simon said he's not going to listen to that direction. That he cannot listen to somebody that is in custody. Na AGAG. Na AGAG. I say, what condition will he not accept North Korea? Except they release Finland. That's the only way he can listen to him. And this is what he knows that cannot be possible. So when they set Mas Nnamdi Kanu be Finland, release everything that you will listen to him. But the question remains now: you listen to him while he's in custody when he asked you to continue the broadcast. Now he now wrote you again. Stop the broadcast. He said you will not listen to him again. Who is deceiving who? And now one thing is to give Enwe, to give monkey cup. Another problem is to take it from him. This is the case of what we are having in Igbo. Umake with the chinye egbe. Inapatas the egbe now is a problem. Simon has known that he will never listen to nobody. That Simon Nnamdi Kanu is in custody. He can't listen to him. I'm talking about Odumeje that is praising Nnamdi Kanu without praising Simon Ekpa. Why he didn't praise Simon Ekpa? Because Simon Ekpa, for him, Simon is justified. His arrest is justified. But Nnamdi is not justified. Now, somebody continued the broadcast and committed a lot of atrocious acts against humanity in Igbo. To someone to the first self, when another crime commit another place, that's all Igbo called. Collected a lot of money in the name of when they bring Biafra on December 2nd. Man, church. That was the second time he has keep opportunity. He promised here na Biafra na Biafra time. I get declare Biafra. He made money out of that. Oh my God, he made money to the point. Jamie say Claremont and then World Bank borrow Riego. Thank God for Madedeka Mama Ngozi Okonjo Iweala. The woman refuted. Say, sorry, I don't have any business. I've never spoken with you. I don't know you. And he started making video against the woman. Now, when Nnamdi Kanu was in custody, yes, if I come out from this place, under 2 minutes, the insecurity will stop in Igbo. Okuria kukuhe okuria. Oh, when you watch that video, one of the broadcaster, one of the interviewer, now asking, what about Simon Ekpa, his activities? Yes, all those kidnapping, all those buying people, kidnapping, doing this in the name of Biafra, they are how criminal. Somebody said, what about Simon's activity? Opera, attorney, lawyer, Austin Opera, but it's Austin Opera, don't say that. He had when they mentioned Simon, he didn't want to say, where is Ikenga? Ikenga, at this point, you need to join the life now, please. Ikenga, you need to join the life. Because when now, somebody is telling me, don't associate with Ikenga. Let me explain to you something. This was when you guys were making so many negative comments. I have to go, test Ikenga. After I'm testing that guy. Sometimes when you hear about people, please spend time and go and discuss with them. Like many people who have come to me, I say, why are you talking against me? Why are you doing? I make you do that again. May go say, okay. You only celebrate people what you hear them talk on social media, but can you stay with the person when in their closest? Forget about him. Them here. When I get no, game how wicked more, how good them they. Don't take me completely the way I am, the way you hear me talk. But sometimes, somebody you can hold. All the people now that are celebrating and they can't care. I don't have problem if you celebrate somebody who brought out his time. But the problem, he is making a mistake. Yes, made a mistake. When they make a mistake. But when a mistake becomes reoccurrence, it's no longer a mistake. It becomes a lifestyle. And when a mistake is affecting life, it's no longer a mistake. Please, Kenga, where are you now? Come and join the life. Because I want him to read you now. I want him to read you Kenga. Are you still in this? Oh, my goodness, sorry. Jesus Christ. My Facebook, I'm losing it. Sorry, guys. So, now for him, so why did one stop Nnamdi Kanu to rebuke Simon or call his name and tell him to stop this thing you are doing? Because those of you who say that all these people that buy assume that it's running away, it is the fault of Simon Ekpa. What stops him from rebuking Simon? Can somebody answer me that question in this life? It's unfortunate that he cannot drop comment on on TikTok. I don't know how I mistakenly locked my my comment section. I don't know how I've tried to open it. It's not working. I don't know how I can just allow people to make comment. I've tried. It's not working. I don't know what else. So the question I want to ask, I need your response from the let's participate. What made Mazi in your own thinking that he could not mention someone as some of your people? This is one of the reasons why Ikenga left IPOB. Because Ikenga was worried that the way someone was giving order, gentle, we are buying people. I told you guys the way I called Simon. Personally, I called him, said, let this guy kidnap. Simon could not stop this for hey, the guy. I called him directly. I'm not doing what I hear. What I did, spoke with him. Okay. That is the truth. So the question remains, what made Nnamdi Kanu not to have called Simon to order? That is my greatest pain and worry. What? What was the problem? Since he didn't call him for order, can't he take the responsibility? He has to take the responsibility. And you guys, when we not complain, say we hate Igbo. Now, before okay, let me bring back that picture again. Let me bring back that picture. Sorry. Let me bring back that picture. The picture of those that were murdered in cold blood. So I'm about to ask a question about those people. Do you know the souls of those people are crying for vengeance? When some of us want to keep quiet, their blood will be crying. It's also in the Bible. When Cain bite his brother Abel, God came and said, Cain, where is your brother? He said, am I my brother's keeper? Yes, said, the blood of your brother is crying from the ground. Oh, Obarande Burun also, may somebody like Keisha also just stand there out now, Bazimba. Oh, the Brande Burun also, may mother the Keisha also, Ikenga, Jiputa, and some of us, Jiputa. Oh, no, so now I call Ibase. Onye si Igbo egbulu onwe ha. Onye si Igbo egbulu onwe ha. Orogasi, don't buy your brother. Tell me Otonya Shiwepogasi. Don't buy your brother. The man who's only probably right now. How is this guy will come now? Because I don't like my life to be too long. Let me see. Who want to join me? Those of you who want to join me, are you still willing to come in? If you are willing to come in, then let me accept you. If you are not, okay. So now, this is how they turn that we are saboteur, we hate evil. When we say, don't do evil. Finally, before I go, you saw what happened in the court. Like I said, I made a video. Accept any offer they are giving to you so that you can receive a presidential pardon. They call me now saboteur. He wanted to abandon his own struggle. He can never compromise. He wanted to be like Wazirike. Now, they not jail him. Since he doesn't want to be like Wazirike, they jail him. You started insulting me. Is it my fault? Didn't I say, accept whatever offer? Come out there first. You have stayed too long without your family. Some people say Nigeria meted an injustice to him. Okay. I don't want to argue there because I'm not a lawyer. If it is an injustice, doesn't he know that Nigeria is a country that believes in injustice? He knows about Nigeria better than I do. Why did you fall into their hand? Politician. What is he doing within the politician? How do you will see Onye no mmadụ nso na-agba gị ụkwụ. There's no way you get you ụkwụ when you are not close to me. Oh, osimiri anaghị eri onye na-ahụ ụkwụ ya anya. Ilu ndị a ilu ndị Igbo na-atụ nụ. But why in the case of Mazi, unu anaghị eketa ilu ndị a, unu just formulate something. Ọwụ na ndị Igbo rere ya, ọkwa na ndị politician rere ya. Kedu ihe nye na ha na-aga Keroto she were mana politician you were mana no na Kenya were ya. Nobody seems to be answering that question. Nobody is meant to answer the question. How come that the onion body against politicians? Keroto gini kaya na politician di me were ya. How come? Nobody is answering me. Okay. Uno snobble. Ah, Chineke. Abam ude chiche brain ndị mmadụ just were one canteen na ama honyob. Now, I don't want to there are things I don't want to say because of his condition presently. I'm not like other people that want to say he must buy. I don't follow them to say those things. But the truth of the matter, Nando metere kwara ihe, o metere ihe. He said a lot of things that I shouldn't have said because he knows Nigeria. They will not pity you. But he kept saying them. Now, when we produce those things, because we are angry with those things, I told him, what I can walk over to school, not 20 years or 18 years. God bless you for the gift. Thank you. 20 years. Every night, every day. Papa ya boy, someone educating in school na Abuja, not to go and start clubbing. Popsy man, no. Oh, make you go Popsy man. Buru moto lotto lo papa is the moto. Go back to school. Stop this thing. Papa is the moto. See na che one here. The boy will be large back to Abuja. Under 1 year again. Also another car. Moto coach we go party. Happy ya. Mwako buru moto trade e boy. Mgbe na-eli papa si ọ nwụrụ ojigbo ọnwụ ndị mmadụ asịsị na papa ya dị wicked. Are you okay? Your father hụrụ ọnwụ nwa m don't take ọnwụ ka itoro gocha school ka ị hapụ inwe distraction na ya ka ị hapụ school gaga bụsoro moto ka ị na-eme club every night moto egbuo gị gị sị papa ya dị wicked when the papa refused to cry for him. This is the case of we warned I oroku maazi don't do this biko na nke a gị gafere ofe Ensas ejiwe na-ekpe ikpe na Ensas ahụhụ Biafra mata. Thank you, Haggai. God bless you for joining. Ensas has nothing to do with Biafra. We say, weapon on an Ensas. What Yaju? Yaju. Nya has weapon. Kwa iba ko kutere ihe niile ji na aka na. Ụmụnnam. So onye sị gị mmadụ akpewele ikpe. Okay, look at what happened to the court. Yeah, but they asked the man, you cannot jail me. Instead of one simba, how gonna get jail? Don't say it before. And when a young man, and when one video watch it one day, onye na remoto somewhere, ban a remoto car park. Ndori we land there ban a remoto. Onye na remoto cause somebody aptanga, mob the face and Dori. I'm a choosing. Ndori I get out of that place. I'm a choosing the gapo. Hey, we be babu. All of you started insulting the guy and all these stupid Oya Buro. This is exactly what Nnamdi Kanu did. Not before a judge. And for you, he's a corrupt judge. And for you, he's a judge in the zoo, according to you, that can do undo without anything. Give when he can't jail me. Apoya haya. Abare am by me insult. Ni here there. Towards the matter, the man about Tinegina tight corner. On the last day of the judgment, the man brought out camera. And you saw camera. The whole world are watching you. Instead of you to pretend. Camera. Na bamba na che logo. Apoyo motor shop. When we say this is wrong, has na saboteur. Boy your jaw. Boy your jaw. Boy ihe ọjọọ akpọla ajọ omume ihe ọma o kpọọnụ ihe ọjọọ bikono ka ihe ọjọọ wela elu tigechi nọ n'ihu George ma according to you dey corrupt George ma no George ndị zoo George ma no hate ọ kpọrọ ndị Igbo asị according to you George ma that make ọgbasa ya maybe ndị British send ya to jail you ọ ya wakwuru ya na British send it to Germany ịma all these things Get on here now. Say you can't hear me. Momoto show. God will punish you. This and that. Hey, na courtroom. Ask another get a log. A jail there. Gets on moi. Jovica. What I say. No hedge jail. Nam there. Gets no more. They are hedge. They go one name no na court. Now about Georgia. Only plan to write whatever about him. You openly insulted him. Yeah, Bogidegi Nobe. Gets all Jovica. Actually, better now. Undunune praise Nnamdi Kanu ni hojo. Ya who praise ya bana trouble. That trouble will visit your family. All of you. All of you. That trouble will visit your family. And then in na ngongu, no wundeni neburu, onwu geruku na aka. Because isi hojo de mma, hojo geruku aka. Obu ebegala na ibobu magala na mma. Ya we kporojo. Because unu saw de mma, unu were picture next spread na anu ga-egbum, unu ga-egbum. Hi. Ọ bụrụ na m na-ekwu eziokwu, Chineke a ga-ekwe ka unu gbuo m. Ọ bụrụ na m kwuru eziokwu, nna m mere mistake. Ọ ga-ekwe ka egbuo m. Ụfọdụ sị na m ga-anara ego. Ọ bụrụ na m nara ego n'eziokwu, unu chụwa m, unu ga-enweta m. Ọ bụrụ na nwere onye kwụrụ m ụgwọ na m rere Nnamdi Kanu, onye kwụrụ m ụgwọ n'isi onye Igbo ibe m, ihe ọ bụla unu mere unu nweta m, unu kpọọ m na miro m ga-aza nwụọ ihe ọ bụla unu mere. Ma ọ bụrụ na ihe ndị awachi ihe niile unu ga-eme, aka isi unu ga-abacha unu n'ọnụ. Aka isi unu ga-abacha unu n'ọnụ. Ihe ọ bụla unu kụrụ, ndị niile ahụ unu kwafuru ọbara ha, ọbara ya ga-achụgide unu niile aka na-akwado ya, na-asọpọtụ ya n'ọnụ ihe mere egbuo atọ achị gbata ọbara mara onye gburu ya. So na him did make video na achọrọ m ịkwụsị ị na-ekwu okwu ihe gbasara Nnamdi Kanu. Frankly speaking, I want to stop it. But gaa na my page platform ebe m nọ, people na-eme m attack na m rere nwanne m na m gara aga nara ego. Onye rere nwanne ya, the buyer will not level. What of onye gburu nwanne ya kwanụ? Father, let me ask, onye rere nwanne ya na onye gburu nwanne ya, onye ọjọọ? I repeat, onye rere nwanne ya na onye gburu nwanne ya, unu si na anyị nwa rere nwanne anyị. Okay, unu nwa gbukwere n'ihe egbu. Ma onye unu nwa gbukwere n'ụmụnne unu. Di doro akụ nyere ka gịnị ka o mere ji wee gbuo ya? Onwe onye o gburu. Dr. Chike akụnyere onwere onye o gburu. As I talk to you now, anyị na ụmụ ya nọ na America here. Ụmụ ya so onwe ihe jikọrọ ha n'ala Igbo. Never again. Because Papa was trying to help them. Ụmụ ya Chineke kere dama, ụmụ ya niile wụcha talent. Enwere nwa ya kene ese ihe. Gị hụ nga nwa ha sere ihe here, gị tie mkpu. Ihe a bụcha onyinye Chineke nyere ala Igbo ka anyị were bịa mezie ala Igbo. Unu egbuo papa ya n'ụzọ otu ahụ. How will that onyinye Chineke nyere to come to ala Igbo? Ụmụ ya na can never touch ala Igbo. They say Nigeria bụrụ okay, they will never ketele. Ala Igbo bụrụ okay, they don't need it. Egbuo nna ha n'ala Igbo. How far? Unu na-akpọ m na m hatere Igbo. Oh, ihe mmadụ na-agwa gị does not matter, but ihe Chineke na-ekwu n'isi gị what matters. So I know that God is saying something good about me. For me, till tomorrow, I pray for Nnamdi Kanu to be released, but let him learn his lesson. Let him humble himself. I make a video see my apology. In fact, that was why then I quote the last day. People were saying, he was a man, he is not remorseful. No single like, please, I'm so sorry. Nothing. He gave order. And people carried the order. Simple say, but we not gonna say they're sorry. There's no problem with that. Now sabo. Man, can you hear construct na mother sabo to? Only na say me here ka odrege na mma. Accept any offer. Ke potago there. Muro sabo. I thank God na my page. Nnamdi accept offer double enjere ke potake release yegi. And the worst people that really buy Nnamdi Kanu are those two lawyers. Those lawyers. Even na ko Kana Gambi, ya would lawyer. Ozokome. Ihe a lawyer Nnamdi need na this matter. Sam Ozokome kana gabi. But ihuna Austin na ndị aka ndị asoro wee gbuo ya. Ele otu ị ga-esi nọrọ n'ihu kamera ga-call your lawyer ihe. A member of Nigerian Bar Association ji your case. Ya na-ekwu gị kọọ ihe ụfọdụ sị okwuge too much. Ele ihe unu okwuge too much. O na-ekwu too much gịnị? You say okay, now excuse me, I want to talk. Gị were ihe kọọ like n'ihu kamera. Stop talking when I'm talking. Your own lawyer, a member of Bar Association. That man may not be angry, but ụmụnne ọ dị ka nga nwoke were ihe kọọ nwunye ya. Nwunye ya sị hapụ otu mụ na esi ebi. Ụmụnne nwunye ya will not be happy. No matter ihe di ya ga-ekwu, nwunye ya ga-ekwusị na otu mụ na esi ebi. Ụmụnne nwunye ya ga-asị otu a ka gị na isi egburu anyị nwanne anyị nwaanyị ilu. Ha ga-asị otu a ka isi egburu anyị nwanne nwaanyị ilu. That's what they will say. In conclusion, ọ bụ ụmụ onye iru unu. Ụmụ onye iru unu. Unu wa ndị kpọrọ Nnamdi Kanu asị, ndị na-ekweghị nye ya advice dị mma. Ndị na-akwa agwa ya na maazị ebe ị na-aga jọrọ njọ. Also all of you. Ụmụnụ wa mere dewere Nnamdi ebe ọ nọ ugbu a. And God will judge all of you. Chukwu ga-judge all of you. Chineke ga-judge chunu. Unu niile ga-tinye Nnamdi Kanu n'ọnọdụ a. Without telling him the truth, may God judge all of you. Lawyer, mgbe asị unu agwụrụ lawyer, unu was a consultant. Unu couldn't tell him to maazị, please control yourself, comport yourself. Mgbe ahụ niile ha bara ka ebe oke ihe ọ batara mba. Asa Nigeria na-akpasị iwe. Ha mere gị ka inwe ike gosi na iwu a violent human being. And you showed it. When we say ihe anyị mma, unu sa iwu sabotu a. Ihe na-emekwa unu. Daily. Come on, just on the point. Unfortunately, you're not coming on life again. So this is unfortunate situation. I didn't see Ken. I didn't see you again.